Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Cryo Rose flower in Cryo Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Cryo Rose flower looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Cryo Rose seed. If you want to get the seed, you can go to the season pass guys, and you need to reach level 8 to get the Cryo Rose seed, or you can get it from the holiday seed pack. Okay, this is the Cryo Rose seed, and I'm going to go to my garden and show you how the Cryo Rose looks like. Okay, this is the Cryo Rose. It's small and you can only get one flower from one plant. And now let's check the value guys. I'm going to check how much this is worth. Oh yeah, it's around 60k shekels. And yeah, I think it's worth. It's small, but it has value, high value. And yeah, it's pretty. And okay guys, that's all about the Cryo Rose flower in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!